Well, hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be an interesting one. It's kind of fun actually. I found this today. It's called the Uber Eats Craving Report. It is on the Uber website and it's really interesting. It's a compilation of their data of things that people order, comments people say, etc. Anyways, it was interesting, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's move forward here. It's on the Uber website. This information seems to be for the entire year, and it's interesting. As you know, you can get just about anything delivered from Uber, so this list may be even more fun next year as more things are added. I'm going to go ahead and go to the article. I was going to summarize it, but I just think it's easier to look at the lists and you can kind of read them yourself. But this is the link. I'll put it in the description so you can go to it later. I have it already up, right? Do I? Yes, here we go. Let's go ahead. All right, 2021 Uber Eats Craving Report. So this is written by Uber Eats, right from the horse's mouth. So basically, this is a little summary, and it says we've seen some trends that might surprise you. Grocery delivery is on the rise. That blank is bananas. Bananas are the #1 selling grocery item in the United States. They've sold more than 25,000 pounds of bananas in September alone. It's always 5 p.m. on Uber Eats. As we expanded into alcohol delivery this year, folks across the world raised a glass. The thirsty customers in Sacramento, Palm Springs, and Tampa Bay ordered the most alcohol delivery. Without a doubt, margaritas, Tito's Vodka, White Claw variety packs, Josh Cellar's Cabernet Sauvignon, and Corona were the most popular orders. You can get literally anything. With the addition of convenience stores like Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven, flower shops like FTD, folks started ordering everything like dozens of red roses to blue raspberry slurpees, buy next now COVID-19 self-antigen tests to Slim Jims, and more. On repeat, the saying is true, when you know, you know. One eater in Raleigh, North Carolina ordered from Zyka Indian cuisine 904 times. Someone in Nashville, Tennessee ordered pasta amore 794 times. And a hungry customer in Peoria, Illinois ordered from Baki Pizza 764 times. Say cheese fries. Compared to before the pandemic, side orders of cheese fries increased more than 1,234%. That's crazy. Manners matter. The most polite states are Montana, Vermont, Oregon, Idaho, and Washington. They say please and thank you the most in their instructions. And customers in Asheville, North Carolina, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and the Florida Keys were the most generous tippers. Picky eaters. Eaters in Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Illinois, Georgia seem to be the pickiest. These states are most often adding special instructions to their order, while people in West Virginia, Delaware, Utah, South Dakota, and Missouri are super laid back. They hardly ever add special instructions. You're so extra. Extra soy sauce, extra spicy, and extra gravy were on the rise last year, while requests for extra avocado, extra mayo, extra pickle, and extra ranch slowed down. Please hold. Requests for no egg, no jalapeno, no cilantro, no cucumber, and no vegetables increased dramatically over the last year, while folks asked for no mustard much less frequently. Health nuts and green machines. Eaters in Florence, South Carolina, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Miami, Florida ordered the most healthy food last year, where folks in northern Missouri, southern Arkansas, and West Texas satisfied their cravings. So here's a little graphic here, the art of the order. Unique requests from artists of the order. Okay, perfectionists. Requests. Please make sure that there are a ton of mushrooms, like I literally love mushrooms. Please, I love mushrooms. You're so extra. Request. Important. Side of rainbow sprinkles. The Grateful Foodies. Request. Hello, favorite salad maker. It's me, your friendly neighborhood salad lady. Some like it hot. Request. Let's give this a try tonight, please. I like hot and spicy. Make me cry. So that's kind of funny. So here's the most popular cuisines: Mexican, burgers and sandwiches, Chinese, Indian, pizza, sushi, Thai, Mediterranean, breakfast, and Vietnamese. The most ordered items: French fries, pad thai, garlic naan, soda, miso soup, California roll, chicken tikka masala, edamame, mozzarella sticks, and spicy tuna roll. The most popular delivery requests in the U.S.: no onion, extra sauce, no tomato, no cheese, no ice, spicy, well done, no mushroom, no pickle, no sour cream. These are funny, so I'm not going to read these all because we could be here all day, but most delivery, I'll do number one of each of these. The 25 most unique delivery requests. So here's from the perfectionist. Please make sure the salmon is cleaned properly and very well done. Thank you. The Grateful Foodies. Hello, favorite salad maker. It's me, your friendly neighborhood salad lady. Oh, we read that one already. The Gift Givers. This is a card for my boyfriend's birthday. I know it's a lot, but we're in a long-distance relationship and would appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. Baby, it's your birthday. I love you forever, mi amor. I hope this card makes you smile. The Ramblers. According to all known laws of aviation, there's no way a bee would be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get that fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. So these are funny. Some like it hot. Let's give this a... Oh, that's that hot and spicy person. Extra green crack sauce, please. No chorizo. Here's, I really need a Phillips head screwdriver. Delivery requests. On Mondays, we see a spike in people holding back on most foods. They're saying no to sour cream, onion, tomatoes, and more. And on Tuesdays are a popular day to request extra sauce. On Wednesdays, customers prefer dishes without tomatoes. On Thursdays, it's all about the extra sauce and spice. And on Fridays, customers like us to hold the onions and bring on the French fries. Saturdays, people ask us to hold the pickle. And on Sundays, customers like extra spice and crispy dishes. This is funny. So this is most unexpected food and request combos. Wait a minute. This doesn't make any sense. I guess you're having prosciutto with pickles, bell peppers with cream cheese, watermelon with yellow mustard, ice cream with hot sauce, pizza with sauerkraut, fish with mac and cheese, hot dog with peanut sauce, yogurt parfait with hot Cheetos, spaghetti with ketchup, burgers with honey. Okay, here's the most frequently paired food and alcohol. Wings with a 6-pack of beer, 3 tacos with a large sangria swirl, build your own pizza with White Claw mango, fajita bowl with a margarita, individual side of chips and salsa with a frozen daiquiri. Anyways, it was fun. So you can go back and read all the different little things everyone said, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. I thought you might like to hear it. It was right on the Uber website. I was looking for some news. Somebody told me that Uber may be going away from food delivery, and I was trying to find some information on that. I did not find anything that said that. Instead, I found this, and I got kind of distracted and just started reading this and decided I would share it with you because I just think it's fun. I wish the other companies would do the same thing, DoorDash and Grubhub and stuff, and like shipped, like the people that buy from like Target and everything. It'd be really interesting if we had a compilation like this from all the other platforms. Have any of you seen any of these from other platforms? If you have, that'd be so fun. Share that link. That would be great. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you stay safe, stay healthy, and make lots of money. Oh, and please subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic. And like I said, if you know of any of these other compilations of data like this from the other platforms, please share it below in the comments because I would love, I'll do another video, if we find it. I was unable to find anything, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So, you know how the internet is. Sometimes it's hard to find exactly what you're looking for, and sometimes you find something else that's even more fun than what you were looking for, which was the case here. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.